This is Lube 65, a top-mount aluminum alloy kit with a VR-supported hot-swappable PCB. The group I started last summer by a Chinese designer called Morningstar 320, and I got this one off the market brand new. For the colors, there were black, green, blue, grey, and whites available, and I chose this blue one to fit the theme of my desk. It has a decent brass weight and a compact 65% layout, which saves a lot of space on my narrow desk. And you can see the brass weight is like a sun, which is like a morning star. The stabilizers here are the Durock V2 stabilizers, which are known for their good quality and affordable price in the community. The housings are lubed with Krytox 205 grade 0 and 105 mixture, 3:7 ratio, and the wires are treated with a good amount of dielectric grease. I modded the board with medical tapes, so the button knobs will be softer when I press on them. For the switches, I got Drock L7 and T1 switches, lubed with Krytox 205 grade 0 mixed with 105, in a 3:7 ratio, which can make them smooth like a bar of soap. There's an emergency. I just found out one of the hot swappable socket just fell off. The good thing is that I have some extra, but I never soldered any before, so it might be a very risky move, but I have no choice at this point, so I think I'll just do it. Wish me luck. Oh my god, the process is scary. I have like a really crappy set of like soldering iron, but the good thing is that it's working. I apply some packing foams in the case, so when I'm typing, the hollowness and the resonance should decrease. Both the L7 and T1 switches are manufactured by Durock. The L7 switches are linear and they have a 62-gram spring weight. They're basically the alpaca switches, but manufactured by Durock and always in stock. And the T1 switches are tactile with a 67-gram spring weight. They're like the Kiwi switches, but manufactured by Durock and always in stock. And no, this is not G&K Botanical. It is a Chinese clone that I can get my hands on right now, and they might look the same, but this is definitely not something official from G&K, so yeah, keep that in your mind. I also put some O-rings between the plates and the top of the case for some bouncier, softer typing feeling, because top mounts can get really stiff sometimes. And now, sound test.